Hello. It is Semih Beats here. I will show you how to make a trap beat on FL Studio 20 in this video. Please subscribe to the channel. I have a kick, a clap, a hi-hat, a snare, and a 808 for drums. Let's see how they sound. After we decide what BPM we will use, it is time to make a drum loop. You can continue with this, or you can go into detail and change hi-hat sequence, add percussion, add open hat. Now, our drum loop is ready. Don't forget that this is a video for beginners, so it may sound too simple to advanced beat makers. It is time to make melodies. If you don't know how to make melodies at all, you can try again and again until you learn it, or use MIDI files, or use melody samples. Little knowledge about music theory can be helpful. And now, we can make the 808 loop. It is time to arrange the beat. You can raise or lower the same melody one octave to create variations. And don't forget to use sound effects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Now, let's listen to the beat.